Service friends, I am Orpheus Praxis, your guide into a realm where physics becomes dharma and philosophy transforms into precise science. Welcome to an exploration of reality, where we reject dogmas and dissect them with logical rigor, mathematical precision, and contemplative clarity. Today, we address a fundamental question: why and how does anything exist at all? Our model, presented in the work Dependent Origination as the sole basis of existence, bridges the Buddhist logic of prasangika, madhyamaka, quantum physics, and topology. It offers a testable, consistent worldview free from metaphysical extremes. Dependent origination, the heart of reality, Buddha Shakyamuni said, "One who sees dependent origination sees the Dharma." This is not a metaphor, but a logically rigorous formula. Nothing exists independently. Every phenomenon, be it a particle, a thought, or a galaxy, arises within a web of conditions without an autonomous essence. Modern physics confirms this. Non-locality and quantum entanglement reveal reality as a unified field of interconnections. Nāgārjuna posed the question, how does existence arise? He identified four logically possible alternatives. 1. A phenomenon arises from itself. 2. It arises from something other. 3. It arises from both itself and another. 4. It arises without a cause. All four alternatives are untenable. Self-origination requires a phenomenon to exist before itself, a contradiction. Origination from another severs causal links and demands an explanation of the other, leading to infinite regress. The mixed option combines both absurdities. Causeless origination results in chaos and negates causality itself. The only logically consistent option remains: dependent origination. Everything exists as a structure of conditions, like where phenomena mutually manifest without independent entities. Our model describes the universe as a three-dimensional fractal sphere, S/stress, a simply connected, compact, boundless manifold with a trivial fundamental group. This is not a metaphor, but topological precision. It has no edge and does not extend outward. It requires no beginning or end. It is self-sufficient, like samsara. It neither arises nor ceases. Unlike standard cosmology with its moment zero, our model rejects an initial singularity. Why? Because any beginning demands either randomness or an external cause, both logically untenable. The fractal structure of SQ implies that every level of reality is nested within all others, following the harmonious rhythm of the golden ratio. It explains, non-locality, a photon knows the state of its pair because in SQ there is no distance. Consciousness, subject and object arise mutually as facets of a single field. The true nature, absence of inherent existence form, is empty of substance, and consciousness is empty of essence. This is ontological precision, not wordplay. Buddha Shakyamuni called this anatta, the absence of a fixed self. Emptiness is not nothingness, but the absence of inherent existence. Form and emptiness are non-dual. Form arises not from essence, but from interdependent conditions. Examples: an electron does not exist outside its field and observer. The wave function is not an object, but a potential, manifesting under conditions. Consciousness is not localized, it is structural, not substantial. To exist is to be in relation. Reality is not a collection of objects, but a unified network of processes. Self and other are merely temporary facets of one field. Eliminating randomness and refuting the Big Bang. We eliminate randomness as an illusion of an observer unaware of the full web of causes. In reality, everything is governed by causality. Every phenomenon is inevitable given its conditions. This is not fatalism, but a revelation of profound lawfulness. The Big Bang theory requires either a random beginning or external intervention and fails to account for the anisotropy of cosmic microwave background radiation. Both options are logically refuted. The fractal Bindu-esque free model shows the universe need not arise, it simply is, a fractal sphere where time, space, and consciousness are internal aspects, and absolute time in ST contains infinite nested cycles. The fractal Bindu-esque model draws on two great traditions of knowledge: Buddhist logic, relative and absolute analysis of phenomena; Buddha, interdependence and emptiness; Nāgārjuna, elimination of extremes; Vasubandhu, analysis of consciousness and perception; physics, Einstein's space-time; Schrödinger, the wave nature of reality; Bell and quantum entanglement, unity of the field. SQ topology, the foundation of the fractal model. We do not reject science, we expand its boundaries. The universe's wave function encompasses energy, space, time, and consciousness as a single, continuous process where matter wanes and emptiness, space grows. Why this model is unique. Logically consistent, it eliminates all alternatives except interdependence. Topologically grounded, built on SQ. Testable, supported by quantum data and observations. Hubble, Planck 2018. Unifies physics, philosophy, and meditation. It offers not belief but clear understanding. We do not say believe. We say investigate, test, realize. If you see the universe as a web of interdependent existence, you are already within this structure. You are already free from inherent existence. You are already on the path to clarity. Subscribe to Orpheus Praxis. This is a structure you can live, test, and realize. The fractal sphere, Bindu Eshu, is perfection itself. Namaste.